Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my pride moment with you. So I'm very much delighted to say that my student G. Rohita has been awarded India Book of Records Award. So what is India Book of Records? This is an organization, Indian organization which inculcates all the 29 states. So 29 states organization. So it promotes the unique and creative talent of the participants, and this has been done from last 15 years award since 2006 so in this year my student G. Rohita has been awarded. So எப்படி இந்த award கிடைச்சது அப்படினா I'll tell you a short journey. I started this channel for teaching English. So I am already dealing with the students for the last 12 years and நான் children ஓட தான் டீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். So I want their talents to be executed. So on every Sunday I started uploading the videos for my children, make them to participate for improving their English knowledge. So இப்படி பண்ணும்போது I uploaded the first video of Rohita on 24th March. So நான் upload பண்ணும்போது நிறைய parents sideலேருந்து I got a very great support for her. And I saw that she has a extraordinary listening and memory skill அதிகமாக இருக்குது அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க மாம் கிட்ட சொல்லும்போது she also supported me and encouraged me to and motivated me more. So அதோட விளைவா அதுக்கப்புறம் we have uploaded many videos and she said that ஏதாச்சும் ரெக்கார்ட் ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா அப்படின்னு அவங்க மாம் வந்து கேட்டாங்க. I said immediately yes, and I started training my student Rohita. After that she said a story, 21 states, 4 directions, 11 helpers, 17 action verbs, aquatic animals, and then many questions அப்படி நிறையா வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணோம். We tried for 2 awards and one of the award we won, that is India Book of Record நாங்கள் win பண்ணிட்டோம். We had won this award in the first attempt. So we won this award by placing a timer. So இந்த award எதுக்கு ரோஹிதாவுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா she answered 25 questions in 34 seconds with non-stop. So for this only she has awarded this India Book of Records. So அந்த ரெக்கார்டில் அந்த அவார்டில் என்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு ஆவலாக இருக்கீங்களா? Even I am also very eager to know that. வாங்க அந்த அவார்ட் வந்திருக்கு. We received that award yesterday. அந்த அன்பாக்ஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன், நீங்கள் அதை பார்க்கலாம். Are you ready? Let's get going. அவங்க ஃபேமிலிலேருந்து ஒருத்தர் they want to thanks சொல்ல போகிறாங்க. ஸோ யாருன்னு அந்த தேங்க்ஸ் மெசேஜை கேட்போமா?
Hi friends, I am Jeevadashni. Rohita is my sibling. I am really excited for her winning the India Book of Record Award. This success is because of her strenuous effort. And this pride moment, I would like to the India Book of Record organization for give this opportunity, my parents for their support and the trainer for making this day. I wish Rohita for her success and future. Thanks to Sagan's English channel.
To watch other videos of Rohita and to watch the young talents of her budders, you can share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a happy learning.